Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a billing address onto your Ubisoft Connect account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft Connect application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. And from here, if you wish to add a billing address to your account, just click on the right arrow key alongside your username at the top left section. From here, click on Account Management, and then from this page, go ahead and click on Payment and Subscription. Now on this page, just click on Billing Address, and now you will be shown the addresses that you have added onto your account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and click on the plus icon or the Add a New Address button, and you will now be able to enter your full address details. Type in your first and your last name, followed by the street number or the street name of your address. After entering your full address, also type in your zip code as well as your city. Finally, choose your country and then click on the Save button. And now this billing address will be added onto your account right away, and you will find it within this page. From this point on, anytime you order a product, you will not be asked to fill up your billing address information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a billing address onto your account on Ubisoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.